like a spotlight in the sky. Shoes hit the pavement, sparks start to fly.